Good morning, good morning. Happy Friday, traders. How's everybody doing? Gosh, let me check your mic here real quick. Go again?
Check.
Good to go. All right. Here to close out the week. Anybody can see, if anybody's watching the actual video, I got my Dolphins gear on. Big game. Saturday night against the Kansas City Chiefs in the Arctic tundra.
Who happens to be my team.
Alright, so right now I'm just watching gold. It's going to be the first one to have an IB here in the next 4 minutes. Copper's already set. Looks like we had a little bounce here at value area high in the session. In gold. So we're in price discovery still up here. We're above that huge wick from yesterday that happened at that news drop. Do we see more upside? I don't know. We might chop around here. Pull back a little bit before we move higher eventually. We had this huge rally in gold which totally sold off. Did I say gold? I meant oil. So there was breaking news overnight about the United States and Britain bombing the Houthi Iranian-backed rebels in Yemen because of their attacks on shipping container ships, causing global economic hardship, inflation. So we're protecting our commercial shipping lanes. Looks like oil went back to this IB 50% to the tick. Look at that. Wouldn't be surprised if we see more downside in oil. There's a lot of profit taking in gold right here. We're shorting. We're both. What are you watching, Cash? Let me guess. Gold.
Nope, I'm watching copper.
Oh. Tell us what you see. Or are you just watching ticks?
Well,
Do you have any alerts set or levels, or are you looking to get into something right here?
I mean, IB low seems to be holding here.
Okay.
But it has tapped it quite a few times. I took a nibble and I have like a 2-tick stop, like just before IB low. So if I lose the trade, I'll lose $25, but I have a take profit set at the value area low on this session. So we'll see what happens.
All right, IB is set in gold, ladies and gentlemen. Morning, Kaufman.
Morning, Kaufman.
So we got a nice little bounce there off value area high in gold. Sure looks like a strong bounce there. But now we're back at this resistance level that we've kind of had since 8:30 this morning. Right here. So it'll be interesting to see what we do here. Kind of breaking through it again. Quite the wick on the 15-minute. Take a nice little entry again here. So I took a little short nibble there. Kind of in this chop zone now. Just looking for a scalp.
Upper trades, 4 ticks in my direction. I'm gonna move my stop to break even, and if it scratches out, it scratches out.
Yeah.
It's a slow mover, this copper.
It sure is.
I'm not gonna babysit it. I'm gonna go look at something else. Either I'll win this trade or I'll scratch out even.
What's everybody else in the room looking at? Yeah, watching gold here too. I expect some chop in this area.
We got oil coming back up here to VWAP. Just also 2x IB from yesterday.
Kind of a steady trend here in gold so far.
Copper trade worked out, $100 winner.
Nice. Nice trade. Let's take a look at that. Or an MD. So you went long off IB low there?
Yeah, but unlike, I did with silver the last 2 days, I didn't get in with a limit order. I watched it. I didn't do the initial test. And then
It kind of held pretty nicely there, didn't it?
if you look at it where it held, I got in when when it started to go up there at 9:14 or so, and I put my stop. I got filled 1 tick above IB low, and I put my stop 2 ticks below, so I was risking $25 to get to value area low there, and it worked.
Yeah. And looks like it rejected there a little bit at value area low. So that worked out nice.
More than MD. Are we all watching gold? It's my favorite.
I'm watching gold. It seems to be holding this resistance that was previously support. It looks like it might try and go up to retest IB high. It's quite the bounce off a value area high there on the session, isn't it?
It is. Yeah, I see that as well, Tony, on platinum.
Pretty consistent move. Yeah, platinum approaching weekly VWAP there.
Copper just broke
942.
value area low. Heading towards IB mid if it can hold this level. What do you see, Kaufman? What do you see?
Got that bounce here off of. We're at session VWAP here.
Here comes gold, creeping up to IB high.
Yep.
Platinum just broke the weekly VWAP. But if it doesn't hold this level, it might present a nice short opportunity back to IB high.
Gold's just kind of grinding up.
Yeah, platinum's doing the same thing. It's got a strong upward trend right now.
Selling starting to pick up a little bit here. See what happens.
Stay away from the coin flips, Kaufman.
Theoretically, randomly just pressing the button is a coin flip.
This is true. It's either going to go up or it's going to go down. How do I manage risk in the meantime? Natural gas has been ripping up too. Got the first red candle in the 1 minute in a long time. Big flush.
Looks like they're trying to get gold back up to IB high. They're propping that bid.
Tony, you went long at IB high? Is that what happened? Nice. I'm watching gold here.
Shocker.
Surprise, surprise. Yeah. So
Watching 12
platinum's at
different
50%.
instruments, and Cash watches gold.
Platinum's at 50%.
Ooh.
Above IB high here.
All right, we got indices opening.
Ding, ding, ding. Copper's at IB mid right now. Just broke. The weekly VWAP and session VWAP and IB high are all relatively close on copper. So that's worth watching. Set some alerts.
Looks like they're trying to squeeze out the shorts in gold here.
Here it comes.
Boom. Massive stop run.
That's why I don't have limit orders set.
Hell of a stop run there. Be interesting if we go back down to IB here. IB high. Do we get the confirmation, or we get the... Was it just a giant stop run? We're going to trend up on gold for the next hour or two. Higher.
I like copper up here, Chris. You got weekly and session VWAP at the same place, and you got a clear risk with IB high. They're pretty close to each other. Might get a scalp here.
Massive move on gold. Looks like value area high is holding on in Q.
Russell as well. Russell's got a break above value area high in the week though, which is, it's kind of in a, just rejected off of value area high in the week.
Gold going straight up.
Yeah, I'm not interested in gold unless it gets back down to IB high. Copper's coming down to IB mid. Platinum seems to be holding this 50% level. Russell just broke through both value area highs. Here comes copper.
Q back up that opening print. ES new highs.
Copper's struggling to get over the session and the weekly VWAP here with IB high just above.
Got a little peekaboo stop run on NQ. Are we going higher? Trying to bring it higher, but gold looks like it
Yeah, I was just gonna say.
might come back down here for a retest confirmation. Hard to buy all the way up here, isn't it? Watching gold come back for this confirmation IB high.
Copper just tapped IB high.
I'm gonna grab a bite to eat. I'll be right back.
Platinum still holding that 50% level. See what gold does down here, up here.
Didn't quite hit IB high. Gold right there. Might have already found its footing. What was that?
Copper is above IB high. Went all the way from IB low to IB high. Yeah, it looks like the entry for gold was 64.5 or so.
Got oil coming up to your value area high in the session. Quite a big value area.
It's got a big move up though, man.
Yeah.
Those are two candles on that 15-minute. You got value area high on the anchored VWAP within 3 ticks of 50% on oil.
I mean, everything's going straight up. I don't want to short any of this. Ooh, look at that wick on oil.
Gold might do another test down here.
Well, that was the short off of value area high in oil. Talk me out of it.
Anybody take that? Gold's back down here. Copper held IV high and ripped up.
That would have been a beautiful short in oil.
Russell's ripping.
I mean, they're all ripping, but yeah, that one's...
Everything's going up. Oil's coming back down to, I mean, it's heading in the direction of VWAP.
Not really I mean, Russell had a good opportunity to join the action down here. ES and NQ just pretty much straight up since, well, NQ tested value area low down here at the open. It's at yesterday's IB high.
Chat's quiet today. What are you guys doing over there? Blowing accounts?
We're at yesterday's high as well on NQ.
Agreed.
Yeah, that is a problem.
Gold might retest IB high here.
That was a nice retracement level on NQ there. That was IB high from yesterday and yesterday's high day. So, you know, we don't have much confluence of anything on gold. I mean, the next level is value area high at 46 on the weekly. So that's way down here. So I don't see much setups.
Boom.
Gold just cracked IB high. I mean, that could be a short. But it could also just get bought up. Q looks like it wants to retest yesterday's high. So guys, we're just kind of hanging out right now. The best setup I saw was the one I missed. The short on oil off of value area high. But we don't have an IB yet, you know. Gold's just all the way up here. And Q's kind of chopping around. I love gold. Yeah, that was the short on the break of IB high there. Back to value area high. In the session. Look how high we are from value area high in the week though. 150 ticks.
Oil's trying to get down to VWAP.
Trying to push NQ down here. Pulling the shorts. Getting bought up. I like to see that. All right, oil. That was the beautiful short. Back to VWAP. Natural gas way up here. Gold. You know, let's see if we get back to value area high. I'll put an alert there. Low volatility in soybean. Yes, just putting along. Russell giving up those moves. It's interesting. Alright, well I hit profit target and Apteros. It's good for the week. We got gold back down to value area high here, but we've had this kind of slow bleed, just like it kind of ground up here. So
See
I'll
if
be right
oil
back.
holds VWAP.
it could have been a good long right there. Value area high, gold, at least for the scalp. Be right back. Okay, we have IB set in energy. Have VWAP here, oil. Ooh, look at that tanking on NQ. Dow tanking. Russell, ES, all big sell-offs. Had a feeling it was coming. Squeeze everybody out and then dump it. Isn't that the way?
Yeah, you got ES, NQ, and Russell all around VWAP.
NQ dump right through VWAP too.
Oil is dumping.
Yep. So is NQ. So is all the indices. Things change just like that.
Oh boy. Well, I don't see a whole lot right now.
No. Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Well, NQ looks like it's fighting to get back over VWAP, but they're, we also got value area high on the week here. So this is a big flexion area. Here and here. Looks like it's holding up for the long. Well, you have VWAP, session VWAP, and IB mid there to protect you. Kaufman. Kind of trading through VWAP now.
That long. That was nice.
Yeah, it was just starting to have a bounce there. I don't know what was there. Oh yeah, stopped everybody out, then dumps it. Yeah, that would be too bad, huh?
NQ, baby. Whew.
Yeah, straight up. I called the long there. Thank you.
You did. I took it with 2 contracts for 40 ticks. It was awesome. Tapped value area high there. We got crude back at VWAP, struggling. Gold broke above IB high just now and retraced.
Look at that. NQ right to value area high. To the tick. What oil do? Yep, oil selling off there, Kaufman. Did you get back in or? That was the trade. Stopped everybody out and then dumped. Nice.
Natural gas is at IB mid. Gold bounced off a value area high again. Copper's down at value area low.
And Q at VWAP.
ES at VWAP. Russell just below VWAP. Natural gas comes back up here to IB mid and can't hold. That might be a nice short down to VWAP.
And Q lower. Two.
Gold back up here at IB high.
All right, let's see what we got here. We got another 15 minutes to IB and the indices. I think we see higher in gold. Sure seems like it, doesn't it? Kind of like gold higher here, the break. Patient with this one. Here we go. There we go. Higher. One higher. I'm 11 ticks in the money here. Hey, Infamous. What's up, man?
Hey, Infamous.
I'm long gold.
I just caught a 20 tick short on natural gas.
Nice.
After it came back below IB mid there. That was nice.
Looks like gold's gonna try and come back all the way to my price. Or I can add on confirmation here. Let's go. Profit targets at 65.8. Here. Yeah, we'll get settled in. Well, gold just stopped me out. Now I'm flipping short. That was a break-even stop out, by the way. Here we go. All we need is a little flip of the bias. Scratched out, got back in short. I'm going to take profit at value area high here. Nice. Little flip of the bias, don't you know? It's an interesting level on NQ. Long.
Copper's down at IB low.
Looking for higher on NQ, maybe the VWAP. Nice. So that trade was, there's a couple things going on here. We have value area low on the session. We have IB mid right here, and then you can't see it on this screen, but on the actual volume profile, this was Wednesday's value area high as well. So a lot of confluence here, and we're kind of battling with value area high in the week. So a lot going on here in NQ at this level. Anybody watching football this weekend? If you're watching on YouTube and you're wondering who we're talking to, it's our Discord. Steve.
Attaboy, Steve.
Breaking my heart. Cash is a huge KC fan. Huge.
Yes, sir.
It's supposed to be like what, 10 degrees there tomorrow night?
Yeah, we
Coldest,
can get together.
coldest
We can get
game the
together and
Dolphins
watch
have ever
that game.
played, I heard. What'd you say, Cash?
Said we can get together and watch that game. Be mad at each other.
I already expect to lose, so I can't get mad. I can only be pleasantly surprised. When you go into something with low expectations, you know, either my expectations are met, mildly disappointed, or I am pleasantly surprised. Low expectations. Oh, so this, you know, this NQ, this 41 to this area right here is also yesterday's point of control on the volume profile and Wednesday's value area high. This is all volume profile stuff.
Natural gas just blew through VWAP. Oil almost got there and reversed.
NQ back through VWAP. Nice breakout. Can we go higher? Yes, sir. Oh, man. Did not get filled. See some buyers step in here on NQ would be nice.
I've been catching some nice scalps on natural gas down
Nice.
here at VWAP.
Should probably give it a look.
Sucked in some shorts there. It's got room to run to value area high.
That long trap on NQ. Are we just gonna whip around VWAP here and screw both sides?
Yeah, probably. Again, I didn't take it, but again, natural gas tap VWAP and bounce.
I have NQ below VWAP currently. I mean, it peaked above it, probably pulled in a bunch of longs and then crushed them. Yeah. In terms of market structure, we're above yesterday's point of control on NQ. We're above Wednesday's value area high. You know, we're just under yesterday's value area high. Above value area high on the weekly VWAP. So, you know, kind of in a holding pattern here. We have to break down below 950. Kind of chopping around VWAP here, so I wouldn't trade off this level at the moment.
Infamous. Thanks for the trade yesterday, man. I actually haven't been messing I haven't been messing with gold today. I'm a natural gas guy today. And copper. So oil's coming down here. I below.
You still holding on to that short, Kaufman? You long or short? I thought you were short. Yeah, gold holding up at value area high.
Oil is it just blew through I below. It's just like bleeding out. Oil now approaching 50%.
Boom. Value area high in the week. War in the Middle East rally. We're still very bearish on oil, so just sell it all off.
IB set on the indices. I don't know if you said that already, Chris. But
I didn't.
Okay.
But
I'm not listening to you, you know.
Don't listen to me. I hit profit target in my Apteros account, and I'm just taking losses in my Top Step accounts, including my new Express funded account. So
profit target in 2 of the Top Steps, break even in the other.
So I stopped out at 500 on 2 Top Steps, and I have 1 left to go. Profit target on Apteros.
I was within $30 of my max day loss in this account that I'm flat in, and every trade has worked out since then. It's been nice. Probably finish with max loss anyways, you know. So oil is so far holding value area high on the week. It dipped below it, reclaimed it, but it's like you got value area low on the session just above it. You got IB low on, like just above it. It's, I don't know. I gotta watch something else.
You don't really have to watch anything. You just set your alerts.
What's gold doing?
Set your alerts. Look at your levels you like, set the alerts, and then you don't have to sit there and watch it, you know? There's no point in just watching it trade in between levels, tick by tick.
Copper reclaimed IB low, had a nice bounce off of it.
Dow. Mixed signals here. Reapproaching IB low, below weekly VWAP.
Russell's coming up on IB low here.
It's also below weekly
It's
VWAP.
below weekly and session.
Gold broke. Gold broke value area high. Next stop, IB mid. Then VWAP. Then IB low is at value area high on the week. So that's an interesting level. Let's set that. That absorption is interesting, Infamous. That could also be some pretty big shorts trying to get out of their positions. Getting squeezed. The big ones, obviously. Because they're not going to mark it out if they can help it. I know we have a Dolphins fan in our Discord, but he's not on the trading floor today, unfortunately, to help support me. I'll be right back. Oh. Gold just kind of jumped up there, huh? Wait a minute. What is happening?
I'm gonna be wrapping up here soon, man. I gotta drive up to Yeehaw Junction.
Yeehaw. You know, yeehaw is Native American for wolf.
Oh yeah. Do you know what San Diego is for?
I do. This is a PG channel.
Noted. Gold's coming down to IB mid.
Yep. That's quite the sell-off right there. It'll be interesting to see what gold does here in the 50s.
Nice, Kaufman.
Gold could be interesting for a long at 53, 55, 53 and 55 when we get down there. It's VWAP. Put me alert there. We're just getting a lot of chop on NQ though around VWAP, aren't we? I mean, if you're trying to trade off VWAP, look at, I mean, this is not conducive price action. I mean, I guess for the scalp, if you're looking for it to just peak above and below in this.
What's gold doing here? Just chopping around.
Well, I want to see lower on gold. At least a VWAP. I changed the song, it's driving me crazy. Yeah, gold. I mean, it's chopping around IB mid. But VWAP might be a nice setup. It's also kind of a low volume area. So it might get a little bounce. Friday chop. I mean, we've gotten quite a nice downtrend in the Russell. Slow grind. Back to lows. IB low. And Q. Value area low on the session. Careful here.
I agree, Infamous. Crude just broke above IB low. It's been on a nice little run.
Lower and then Q, you think? Yeah. Gotta break out. We're below IB low. But we're at value area low in the session here. There we go. Yeah. $69. 900 could be the next area of interest. But be interesting if we reclaim value area low. selling here.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna head out. Green on all accounts, profit target and 2, and the other one I just don't have time, so I gotta go. But finish the week green. Good luck to all you guys. Have a great weekend. We will be back at it on Monday. Is Monday a holiday, Chris?
I think so. Martin Luther King Jr. Day, right?
We don't have that day in the Bahamas, but anyway. We'll see you guys next week. Have a good weekend.
All right. Thanks, Cash. Thanks for joining us. I'm going to wrap up here too, guys. I've done enough damage in my top step accounts. I hit profit target in Apteros. A lot of chop. Is what it is, guys. Come back at it fresh next week. Nice, MD. Share your trades later in the Discord. I'll do the same. I had some nice trades, a couple of really dumb trades, so take it from there. You two guys, not a great day in my opinion, but hopefully you guys will have better luck if you stick around to keep trading. Good luck, stay safe, and I'll see everybody on Tuesday, I guess. I think. All right, either way, thanks guys. Thank you.